So now that we have our services running in background, let's create a UDG pair for it and create a schema that stitches those two services together. So I'm gonna call this user reviews API and it's gonna be of type UDG. I clicked on configure API and navigating to authentication and setting this to open for now. We will authenticate this later, and let's create schema. We'll add two types, type user, which will have ID, string, and username of again type string, and we will have review of ID string and text string and user ID of course of type string. Now we would like to have this reviews inside user so that we don't have to make two different queries. So let's just add that reviews, and it would be an array of review type review, and we're going to query this as user. We will pass an ID of type string which should return us user. So let's save this API and let's try to query this. Query get user by ID, and so this is gonna fail. Let's see. It should have ID, username, reviews, ID, text, and user ID. So of course this is gonna fail. The reason this fails right now is because we haven't attached data sources to this schema types. So in the next video we'll see how we can attach data sources to this schema.